enjoyment and it is very. Dear children, you play kinds of games daily. Games give us enjoyment and it is very useful to keep our body fit and active. In this lesson, you will learn about kinds of games and the benefits of playing games. When we work all the time and have no time to enjoy, our mind becomes dull. If we get tired, we play games. We relax our mind. We play games for many other reasons also. Playing games is a good exercise. It keeps our body in proportionate shape. When we play a good game, it develops our confidence. When we play by following the rules and regulations of the game, we become more disciplined in life. We become fresh and active. We are able to do more work. We channelize our mental and physical energy in a more positive manner. Individual and team games. The games in which a player plays alone against another player are called individual games. Golf, chess, archery, badminton, billiards, shooting, and tennis are some examples.
The games in which a group of players play against another group are called team games. A group of players form a team. Football, hockey, cricket, basketball, kabaddi, and volleyball are team games.
The number of players in a team varies from one game to another. For example, 11 players make up a football, cricket, or a hockey team. There are 6 players in a volleyball team and 5 in a basketball team. Team spirit. It is important to have the right team spirit while playing in a team. Players in a team should always try to make the team win. They should play for the team and not just to make individual records. Teammates should respect each other. Each team has a leader or a captain. It is important for the captain to make sure that all the team members are friendly with each other and cooperate with each other. A captain should treat all the players equally. He should not have any favorites in his team. It is the captain's responsibility to encourage his team members all the time, help them when they do not play well, and guide them correctly. National teams of a country are formed by selecting the best players from all over the country. National teams represent the country in various competitions held within the country, national, and outside the country, international. Playing together. In schools and neighborhoods, girls and boys play together. There are separate teams for women and men for all sports played at the national and international level. However, in certain sports like table tennis, badminton, and lawn tennis, both women and men may jointly play as a team. They play under a category called mixed doubles. Local games. Some games are traditionally played by the local people of a particular area. These games might be very popular locally, but they are not played in national and international competitions. They are referred to as traditional sports of a country. Some local games played in different parts of India are as follows. Gilli Danda is one of India's famous traditional street games. A game suitable for 4 or more than 4 players. It is like cricket or baseball without a ball. The gilli is a small wooden piece, about 3 inches long. The danda is about 2 feet in length. It is used to strike the gilli. Vallam Kali is the popular boat race of Kerala. It is held every year during Onam. More than 100 oarsmen row each boat. Malakhamb is a kind of gymnastics practiced by the wrestlers. It is performed on a pole. Silambam is a popular Indian traditional sport played in Tamil Nadu. It is a popular type of fencing. The game begins with salutations to God, the opponent, spectators, and teachers. Players need to try and touch each other's body, making use of a staff. Wrestling is practiced in an akhara. The players have to follow a regular practice routine and eat healthy food. The traditional akharas have a training ground made up of mud. Wrestling has become an international sport as well. Name these captains of Indian team. Also, write the name of sport with which these are associated. Match the following countries to their national sport. Tick the correct option. Answer the following questions. Distinguish between individual and team games. The games in which one player plays alone against another player are called individual games. Example, archery, badminton, shooting, etc. The games in which a group of players play against another group are called team games. Examples, cricket, hockey, football, volleyball, etc. What is team spirit? Team spirit. Players in a team should always try to make the team win. They should play for the team and not just to make individual records or self-exposure. Teammates should respect each other and obey the captain's suggestions. This is called team spirit. What are local games? Describe two local games of India. Local games. Some games are traditionally played by the local people of a particular area. These games might be very popular locally, but they are not played at national level or international level. They are referred as traditional sports of a country and are called local games. Two of the local games played in India are Gilli Danda. It is one of the famous street games played in India. A game played by 4 or more players in each team. It is like the cricket or baseball, but played without a ball. The gilli is a small wooden piece with pointed ends about 8 centimeters long. The danda is about 60 centimeters in length. It is used to strike the gilli. Vallam Kalli. It is the popular boat race of Kerala. It is held every year during Onam, the harvest festival of Kerala. More than 100 oarsmen row each boat. Can girls and boys play the same games equally well? Nowadays, even girls are playing games like cricket, hockey, basketball, and kabaddi equally well and as good as boys. What is the role of the diaphragm in the respiratory system? The whole process of breathing in and breathing out is controlled by a dome-shaped muscle called the diaphragm. The diaphragm is similar to an elastic band. When we breathe in, the diaphragm contracts and the lungs are filled up with air. When we breathe out, the diaphragm muscle relaxes and forces the air out, thus bringing back the lungs to the normal size. Why did Aditya's grandmother blow on a cloth and then place it over the wound? Aditya's grandmother blew on a cloth and then placed it over the wound because her breath heated the cloth that acted as a massage pad. Identify the following sports personalities and write their names and sports they play in the given spaces.